Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
हमें पता है ये पायल के कलेक्शन के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए जो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है।
जी, of course आप जानते ही हो कि पायल is amazing designer. I love her clothes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm sounding so bad. But then yes, I love her clothes and I've always been part of all her events or anything new that she's launching. So I'm very happy that I'm here today. And obviously open lawn event है तो और भी अच्छा लग रहा है because it's just it's a great feeling. It's a good vibe.
So Sana ma'am, what is the one thing you like the most about the Payal collection?
I think what I like the most about her collection is that even if the clothes look like really heavy and you know embroidery kari hui, but when you wear it's very comfortable. It's very light. You can wear all day and it's a very easy, breezy, cool. You know, even for youth, our young generation. I think it's a very cool design that she makes. So I think it just blends very well.
हमने सुना कि आपको आपका प्यार मिल गया।
हमने देखा भी। जी।
ये जो प्यार कितना आगे जाने वाला है?
जी प्यार तो आगे जाने के लिए
या फिर
I think कहीं ना कहीं you know when you decide to come out and talk about the one you love, so obviously you are you know pretty serious about it. But let's see, inshallah, hope everything goes well because I always believe, I said you know हम इतनी अपनी life की achievements share करते हैं, but when it comes to love we want to hide it. I don't know why. So I think I didn't want to hide, you know, or not talk about the person who I really respect, look up to and admire.
Okay, Sana, lastly, the status of Tom, Dick and Harry because people are waiting
You know,
for it
honestly,
from a long time.
Unfortunately, the film got shelved or stopped. Honestly, I have no you know clear idea about it. But demonetization के बाद उसका कभी दूसरा schedule ही नहीं हुआ. So I have no idea why is it not happening. But I think it's too late now to even restart. Probably they'll have to reshoot everything again. So as of now, no idea.
ओके, तो मंदना जी आपके
Yes.
ब्यूटीफुल अटायर के बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताइए।
Thank you.
ब्लैक एंड ब्लैक।
I'm actually wearing, I'm not wearing Payal.
Oh.
No, I'm not. I'm wearing Shantuni and Nikhil. And this is a man kurta.
मैन कुर्ता।
Yeah, so because the outfit that he was supposed to give me, the zip had a problem. So, yeah, so he gave me a kurta and he said just put a belt on it and wear it. So, and it's lovely because, you know, it's quite interesting. It has this like a side sleeve. So I'm wearing man clothes.
Okay, ma'am, what do you have to say about the collection, new collection, Sanat, presented by the Payal
Yeah,
today?
I'm very excited because I've heard that she has come up with a new print, which is Turkish print, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm very excited to see, and she always has this beautiful print and beautiful colors and everything. So very excited, yeah.
Okay, what is the one thing you like the most about the Payal collection?
I think the fact that she mixed the Indian with the like suits and the sari, and she makes it very exciting because it's not very easy to wear sari and go to the events, you know, and the way she drifts everything, it's beautiful.
Okay, what
And
is
you
the one thing that
Yes.
comes in your mind whenever you think about the fashion?
Fashion, playground.
करण जी ये ब्यूटीफुल पायल का कलेक्शन है।
हाँ जी।
क्योंकि इसी अंदाज में सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट। आप
हाँ जी।
बताइए, आपको कैसा लगा? हमें तो अच्छा
मुझे बहुत कूल लगा, यू नो आई रियली एंजॉय वेयरिंग बंडीज और मुझे अच्छा लगता है व्हेन यू जस्ट वेयर अ बंडी अ लिटिल मोर कैजुअली एंड नॉट देसी तरीके से नहीं, बट क्योंकि उसमें देसी एलिमेंट अपना खुद का होता है। सो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा यार, दिस गॉट दिस होल ट्राइबल मोटिव थिंग गोइंग ऑन एंड आई वोर इट विद माय जोधपुरीज एंड माय हाई टॉप स्नीकर्स। हाँ जी।
Karan sir, what is the one thing you like the most about the Payal collection from today?
What I like actually, what I'm wearing in from what my sister's wearing. You know, I love women that are dressed in kaftans. क्योंकि बॉम्बे वैसे ही बड़ा humid climate होता है, तो when you're wearing flowy things, easy things. Even this is a very nice silk, natural fabric, so it's lighter, so it's cooler. Plus, I love this tribal motif. It's very cool.
Okay, so what's your fashion mantra?
What's my fashion mantra? I think मेरा fashion mantra is to dress down as much as I can. मुझे कैजुअल वाइब ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है। आई लव वेयरिंग स्नीकर्स, तो अगर आप मुझे देखेंगे मैं 99% स्नीकर्स में होता हूँ। अनलेस आई एम रियली आई हैव टू वेयर अ नाइस सूट, देन इट्स डिफरेंट।
अकॉर्डिंग टू यू
हाँ जी।
योर फेवरेट स्टाइलिश एक्टर।
According to me, I think my all-time favorite is going to be Saif Ali Khan. I think that guy is the coolest. There is nobody as cool as Saif Ali Khan because वो जो भी पहनते हैं एक बहुत ही ईज और एक पनाश के साथ पहनते हैं और इन ट्रू फॉर्म खुद रॉयल्टी लगते हैं. But when it comes to suits, I think you can't beat Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So Mr. Bachchan he gets suits so right. I mean, I want to say he nails suits, but with all due respect, he just gets them really right.